Good evening, friends. Hope you all are doing good. So, friends, yesterday we have finished with the chapter, all the chapters from 8th standard NCERT. Today we are going to start with your 9th standard NCERT chapters. Okay, so 6 to 7 chapters are there in the 9th standard NCERT. So, we are moving in a higher standards now. We are moving towards these higher standards. So, definitely, different themes we are going to meet with. This theme of 9th standard geography NCERT is about India. So India and its location, again same things which are going to get repeated, which got repeated in 6th standard and 7th and 8th standard, but in little bit detailed manner. So today we are going to see first chapter, India, size and location. This is a very small chapter because there is nothing much to learn from this chapter. The same things you are going to learn: the size of the country, the geographical area, the coastline and latitude, longitudinal position, and east, west, north, south expanses of the country. So the same things we are going to see. So it is not going to be a very huge chapter. So as we have seen in the previous chapter, same information is there in this chapter. So as we know that India's northern and southern latitudinal and longitudinal position, in eastern and western latitudinal and longitudinal position, as we know here we have 37 degrees 6 minutes northernmost point, and southernmost point near Kanyakumari we have around 8 degrees 4 minutes. Easternmost point is a 97 degrees 25 minutes and westernmost point is a 68 degrees 7 minutes. Okay. Tropic of Cancer is going and dividing almost India into the half. It is going to various states. You know the state names of the states. Okay. So north south expanses of the India is more compared to east west expanses of the India. Okay. So overall the longitudinal and latitudinal extent is 30 degrees. Okay. So this we all have seen this. Now in terms of size of the India, in terms of geographical size of the country, territorial extent, we are 7th largest country. So first is Russia, then Canada, then USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and we are 7th largest country. But second largest population we have in the world. Okay, our overall area that we are occupying is 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. And in terms of in terms of square kilometers, so we have 3.28 million square kilometers. Getting it? Overall area is 3.28 million square kilometers. So boundary, how much boundary we have? So see, we have 15,200 kilometer long boundary we are sharing with the different countries. So frontier management, boundary management is one of the chapter in paper 3. So you should know, before writing about the chapter, first we should know how long boundary do we have, how big boundary we have. Getting it? So that is a boundary, that is just a normal territorial boundary plus coastline. We have 7,516 kilometers, including island plus mainland coastline. Mainland oceanic coastline, total it is 7,516 kilometers. Okay, so this is a very simple chapter. These facts we have seen. Okay, so easternmost state is Arunachal Pradesh, westernmost is Gujarat, and the total traveling distance in terms of time is 2 hours. Okay, a sun requires 2 hours to travel from easternmost latitude to the westernmost latitude of the Gujarat. So that's why we have our prime meridian or standard meridian that we have chosen is 82.5 degrees or 82 degrees 30 minutes here, which is going through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so these things we have already seen, and this is very simple chapter. So in terms of world, if we see, we have various neighbors. India have its various neighbors. So we have neighbors in the Indian Ocean as island neighbors. We have territorial neighbors. We know all the names of these neighbors. So here we can see our neighbors are Afghanistan, Pakistan. Then here you have China, we can say Tibet, Nepal, small Bhutan, Bangladesh. So these are our neighbors, and Myanmar. Okay, so these are our neighbors. Okay, and island countries in Indian Ocean are Sri Lanka and Maldives. This thing also we have seen. So friends, These are the same things which have been repeated. I hope you have understood. So very small chapter. I think you may wonder how quickly this chapter finished. Okay. So based on this chapter, let us understand some MCQs. Okay. So what are the MCQs? Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which state? Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Tripura. It is not passing through Odisha. Okay. The easternmost longitude of India, which is the easternmost, 97 degrees. Uttarakhand, Uttar UP, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim have common frontier with whom? China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar. With whom? Yes. Uttarakhand, UP does not have any border with China, so it's Nepal. If you intend to visit Kaveri during your summer vacation, which one of the following union territory uh, you will be going to? So definitely Pondicherry or Puducherry, that we call it as. My friend hails from country which does not share land with India. Okay, so which is the country which does not share land with India? Bhutan shares, Bangladesh shares, Tajikistan does not share, Nepal shares. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood this. A very simple, very simple chapter. Okay, and there won't be any question based on this chapter. Okay, so yesterday also I have given you a question. So I hope I have seen the answers of you all. Slowly answers are improving, but most of you need to improve on your presentation skills. Most of you need to improve on the content, and some of you need to improve on diagrams and flowcharts. Okay, so thank you for this listening for this chapter. Tomorrow we'll see the second chapter. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.